Hi class, this is Jada Stevenson and this is my technique demonstration. The technique that I'm demonstrating for you today is a form of a self-regulated breathing technique called deep belly breathing. I was kind of drawn to this technique because I found some cool ways like watching videos online of how you can use it to work with children, pretty much any age, adolescent, um, and young children as well. I also personally I work with people with intellectual and developmental disabilities, and this just struck me as a good technique that they could do. It's simple enough for them to do and understand what they're doing, and there's also ways to keep them engaged and keep it fun as well. So um, the version that I'm doing is going to be geared more towards children um, or even people with disabilities. Um, so a little bit of a background about deep belly breathing is that, like I said before, it's a self-regulation breathing technique. It can reverse homeostatic alterations, so bring you back to homeostasis. Um, as far as affect regulation, it increases focus and attention. It improves pro-social behavior, and it enhances happiness overall. Regarding the autonomic nervous system, this helps the autonomic nervous system by slowing the heart rate. It lowers blood pressure and sharpens the mind's ability to focus by slowing down the amygdala, which is in your brain, as we all know, and supports higher brain functions that happen in the frontal lobes. A little bit about the amygdala. I mean, most of us know this because we've studied it so many times, but the amygdala is the source of human emotions, and the experience of emotions causes effects, widespread responses throughout the entire body. So this technique focuses kind of on the amygdala, which is related to emotions, which is related to stress and anxiety and all the different things that we feel throughout our bodies. So that's a little bit of background. I'll walk you through the steps quickly, and then I'm going to demonstrate them for you. So first, you can sit comfortably either in a chair, you can sit on the floor. I'm going to sit on the floor. And it is encouraged that you close your eyes, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep my eyes open because I can't see with my eyes closed, and I need my eyes to do some of the therapist parts of this. So, for example, the person who would be doing this would be listening out for a chime or a ding. I can't hit the chime if my eyes are closed, so I'm going to keep my eyes open. So next, you're going to listen for a ding when the therapist hits the chime. This is just this version. I'm sure there's many different versions of doing this, but this is the one that I chose to do. Once you hear the ding, you start taking a deep breath and you fill your lungs as far as you can. Feel your stomach rise and fall, and then you're going to breathe out. And then you're going to keep repeating this, just focusing on your breath and putting all your focus and attention into your breathing. If your mind wanders, they say that that's okay. From what I've read, let your mind wander, but just focus on the present, focus on your body, focus on your breathing, and just continue to do this. When you hear the chime again, that doesn't mean like you get startled. It just kind of means that you continue to breathing, but you calmly open your eyes. So I'm going to keep my eyes open. Also, instead of just doing the breathing, because I want to gear this towards children or people with disabilities, intellectual or developmental disabilities, and I want to keep them engaged, there's other ways to do this. So some things that I saw were using bubbles, objects in the stomach, which even adults can do. It just helps you be mindful of your breathing and what your body is doing, and helps you focus on the rising and the falling. And then pinwheels. I could not find a pinwheel because that's what I wanted to do, but I could not find one. So basically what you do with a pinwheel is that you take deep breaths and then you blow the pinwheel and make it kind of spin. And I think that that'd be fun for some of my clients that I work with. I know that they would like it. The objects on stomach, I've seen people do that already, so I wasn't really going to do that. So I decided to do bubbles. Now, I do not have children yet, but I have 4 cats. And I buy them bubbles. Let me get my bubbles ready. I buy them catnip bubbles. So I hope these work because I wasn't able to find bubbles in the store. I think maybe that's more of a summer toy. I'm not sure. But I have catnip bubbles. Okay, so it doesn't work that well, but I'm gonna hopefully. Okay, that one worked. So I'm using catnip bubbles for when I exhale. Okay, I'm not gonna put that back on. And then I do not have a real chime, but I have this stainless steel water bottle. Okay, wait, that wasn't a good one. That's gonna be the chime. So when you guys are following, that's gonna be your chime, and that's when you guys close your eyes, okay? All right, so I'm about to start my technique demonstration. You see my candles in the background? I was trying to set the mood. Oh, I'm also gonna put on some relaxing music. I like relaxing music. I actually use that to fall asleep at night because I have trouble sleeping. So I'm not gonna have it really loud. I don't know if you can hear that, but I have it on. If you want to put yours on, that's fine. Okay, let me get comfy. Let me get ready. Okay. All right, so once you guys are ready, I'm gonna hit the chime. Make sure you're sitting tall. Make sure that your back is tall. You're not slouched, okay? Sit tall. If you're sitting in a chair, sit up tall. Close your eyes. You guys close your eyes now. I'm gonna keep mine open. I might close them a little bit, but I need them open to hit the chime and to do the bubbles, because, okay. All right, I'm gonna begin soon. In 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna take deep breaths. Fill your lungs as far as you can go. Fill your belly as far as it can go. And exhale. Let me get my bubbles. This is for, the children. You guys don't have to do this. Just helps you remember your exhales and to be aware. So more deep breaths. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. The bubbles aren't working. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Hopefully your bubbles work if you do this with children. So now that you heard the chime, you continue to breathe calmly and then you slowly open your eyes. So unfortunately my bubbles didn't work out the way that I planned, but this is just practice. Thank God. So thank you for watching my technique. Hopefully you learned something different, and you can take what I did and you can put your own spin on it, or just be creative. Our interventions are supposed to be geared towards our population that we're working with, so that's why I chose to do it the way I did it, because personally I know that the clients that I work with currently would enjoy it, and I know that this could be more geared and engaged to children, so that it would just keep them more engaged and more interested in doing it. So you can do it however you want, but the most important part is the deep breathing. So thank you for watching.